courts shall refrain from conducting inquiry on the basis that any attempt will compromise national security. In fact, it's not the other way around. Why we should be protecting the protection of national secrecy, I see the government proceeding to expose national security operations, especially about expenditure during elections to keep this country safe from threats.
First, I'm not sure Councillor Johnson visited the 2023 and 2024 budget. He would have seen that there was allotment or allocation to the National Security Agency specifically, like I reviewed, to cover the elections and provide security. However, here is my argument in the national debate, coming to you from Monday through Friday at 4 p.m. on ELBC FM 99.9, ELBC.com, LMTV Liberia Facebook account. These are all places the national debate will be held. I'm going to be your host. So if your argument is that somehow it was in the interest of national security, why did you leave out the National Security Council, the National Security Agency? Why were these institutions specifically by law and by budgetary allotment, who was supposed to be in charge, left out? And why, for any reason, that the Financial Intelligence Agency received such hefty amount without authorization from the National Security Council, without the acquiescence or approval of the National Security Agency? These are all things that will come up on the national debate. Do you have any comments? If you do, let me know. Let me hear you.
No comment, gentlemen. No comment today. No comment.
The national debate is coming. These are the issues we will be talking about. You can join us every Monday through Thursday from 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. on ELBC FM 99.9, or you can find us on Facebook, LNTV Liberia Live, or you can go to the World Wide Web, ELBC.com. Thank you.